You're standing in aisle 7, staring at a wall of plastic and metal, $80, $400, $1,200, they all look the same and they all claim to be the strongest, but pick the wrong one and you either won't clean your driveway or worse, you'll actually blast the paint right off your car. We've been testing these machines for 6 months straight. We froze them, we clogged them, we let them sit in the garage all winter to see which ones actually survive, and we found one that is a total game changer and one that is a complete rip-off. Today, we are revealing the 5 best pressure washers of 2026, and you won't believe what number 3 can do, so let's clean this up. Starting at number 1. CRAFTSMAN Electric Pressure Washer. Best overall, electric. The CRAFTSMAN CMEP 1900 VA stands out as the overall best pressure washer we've tested, with an impressive balance of performance, ease of use, and value. It's similar in capabilities to my first pressure washer that I still use for small tasks, like refreshing my patio furniture and blasting grass from the deck of my riding mower, and it cleans a wide variety of surfaces thoroughly and safely without damaging more delicate objects. It's easy enough to set up and use, making it perfect for beginners and new homeowners who haven't used a pressure washer before. While this isn't the most powerful pressure washer we've tested, we've learned that most jobs we're doing at home don't actually need that extra power. With a maximum pressure of 1,900 psi, 3 nozzles, and a surface cleaner accessory, this pressure washer handles stubborn leaf remains on our sidewalks and more sensitive surfaces like vehicle paint alike. We sprayed algae off shed siding, cleaned barnacles from a kayak, and washed off a grimy stand-up paddleboard. We even cleaned 25-year-old window screens without damaging them. Number 2. Westinghouse EPX 3500 Electric Pressure Washer. Best value. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 provides solid performance across a variety of surfaces and materials, surprising versatility, and a price point under $200, providing the most value out of any pressure washer we tested. It's a bit more expensive than our overall best recommendation, but it's also slightly more powerful and has a few more nozzles to choose from. One thing I love about this pressure washer is that you can vary the pressure, which is a great feature to have at this price. That really comes in handy when cleaning surfaces that each call for a different level of pressure, vinyl fencing, an aluminum outdoor table, a large stone patio, and more. The only issue we ran into was that our aluminum table had some oxidation that required manual scrubbing to clean. The pressure washer blasted away built-up dirt and grime, though. Everything else came out spotless, including the stone patio, which had a heavy layer of muck that cleaned up within minutes. Number 3. Greenworks 2700 psi Pressure Washer. Most robust features. This Greenworks pressure washer is very well-rounded, with helpful features, powerful performance, smart design, and an intuitive user experience. It has the power to clean all sorts of surfaces, including patios and other concrete surfaces with caked-on grime, accuracy to shoot down wasp nests, and even cleans cars quickly. We turned this pressure washer loose on a large outdoor rug that had seen better days, and watching the grime flow away was extremely satisfying. It's quick. Our entire patio took only about 10 minutes to clean, and it made short work of our cars, only leaving some bugs stuck to the front grille that required manual scrubbing, pretty normal since bug guts are acidic and corrosive. The pressure is consistent and effective, and it's especially easy to use due to the way it automatically adjusts the pressure to the nozzle you choose. The nozzle selection is good, and they switch out easily with a quick connect system. It comes with a foam blaster too, which is great for dispensing soap. Number 4. DeWalt DWPW2400. Best Electric Pressure Washer. One of the best at-home pressure washers on the market, this electric beast of a machine might be marketed as a consumer device, but you'll feel like a professional when you use it. Wheeling it around on its 10-inch pneumatic wheels is a breeze, which is a good thing because it weighs over 45 pounds. Belying its heft, the DeWalt DWPW2400 runs surprisingly quietly. When blasting away debris, the engine never got that loud, and the jet of water didn't clang off the testing surfaces. Releasing the trigger on the spray away quickly and effectively shuts off the engine entirely. It's effective at clearing away mud and sand, but surprisingly slow at clearing away paint from all surfaces. Unlike other pressure washers, number 0° spray tip was included, so we conducted most of the tests with the 15-degree nozzle and the turbo nozzle, which wasn't as effective as we would have liked. It also includes 40 and 25-degree nozzles. We did enjoy using the soap function, though. The soap tank is extremely easy to load and the suds the machine shot out were plentiful. Number 5. Ryobi RY141612. Our previous best at-home pressure washer winner is certainly still a solid device, especially for its size. It cleared mud and sand without much effort, and it quickly removed paint from brick and pavement with its turbo nozzle. Unfortunately, that powerful engine is quite loud, probably due to its small size. It is also a bit unwieldy to carry around in store since it's only a little bigger than a car battery, but it has a 20-foot hose, a 35-foot power cord, and a 2-foot long soap injection hose that somehow have to all get bound up together. When it does pull up soap, it does so rapidly, so make sure to have everything you want to clean ready to go. It just feels like the soap function was an afterthought, and it appears that many owners of this device plug up the soap intake and don't even bother with it. So if you want to save hours of scrubbing and finally win the war against your dirty driveway, you know exactly which models to look for. We've linked them down below, so just check the description for the best prices right now. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest tests. Which pressure washer are you currently using? Let me know in the comments because I read every single one, and if you want to see the ultimate test where we compare these heads up against the toughest grime we could find, click the video right here to watch it next.